Hi, delivery for Mrs. R. Donnelly.
Yes, that's me. Can you leave it in the porch, please? I'll unlock the door now.
There you go.
Thanks a lot. I can lock the door from here.
Right, just going out for my run.
I'm leaving in 10 minutes, so don't forget to take your key.
It's okay, I've got my watch to open the door.
Just checking you still want me to walk Bruno for you on Thursday morning.
Yes, please. I'll give you the code for the front door keypad. It'll give you access from 9 a.m. till 1 on Thursdays.
Now, Mum, here's the key fob to unlock the door when someone calls.
Okay, love.
Just press the button and don't worry. I've set it to an automatic lock a minute after it's unlocked.
Alexa, good night.
Good night.